balancing act, adding and subtracting. What do you think the equal signs means? Look at the picture. There's an equal sign here. What's going on? What do you think the equal signs means? If you notice, there's a salamander on the left side. There's a salamander on the right side. There's a mouse on the left side and a mouse on the right. So what could that mean? You're right, they're equal. Equal signs means that the same amount on the left side is the same amount on the right side, or the value. Here, I have two animals. It's the same as two animals. So we have 2 equals 2. In the story, a balance act, you saw how the animals were balancing each other out. We're going to do the same, but we're going to use a number balance to balance numbers and balance equations. Because when we're adding and subtracting, we're also balancing equations. If I put a 6, or write in the 6, you can see that it's not balanced anymore. What if I put it on the 10 on this side? Oh, wow, look. Now the 6 is smaller than the 10. So we want to balance. What can we do to balance it? What if I put it on the 3? So now the 6 is greater than the 3. Let's put it on the 6. Let's see if that works. Oh, wow. Look. It's now balanced. So that means that 6 equals 6. Now let's try an equation. Let's say that I'm adding 6 plus 3. On the other side, I want to have the equal amount. So what could I do to make it equal? Could I put a 3 and a 6? Let's check it out. Oh, we did. Let's try another one. A 4 and a 2 and a 1, sorry. But what if I put a 3? How can I figure out what number am I missing to make it equal? We would have to add this first. So here I have 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. I'm going to put a 5 here. And then I need to get to 5. So I go 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my number, my missing number would be a 2. Let's check the equation. Correct. Alright, so let's go ahead and practice. Equal sign. So we know that the equal signs means the same. So what number is the same value as 5? You're right. 5 is the same value as 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Here I have a minus. So first we have to figure out what the equation is. So 9 minus 3. So I can use my number chart, my number line, to count backwards. So I start here and I end at 9 because I'm subtracting, and then I put 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, and then I count backwards. 8, 7, 6. So whatever equation I have on this side has to equal 6. So let's say that I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how many I have to have left over. So let me pick another color to try to make another equation. Let's say I put 4. So in order to figure out my equation, I have to look for my big number. So I have to find the total of this to make my equation. So I go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have a 10 here. So I'm going to go ahead and write 10. Let me pick a color that we can see. So we have 10. And then I'm going to take away 4 because I want to have 6. So minus 4 equals 6. So here I can say my equation to balance out. 9 minus 3 equals to 10 minus 4. So 10 minus 4. Let's try another one. Oh, in addition. So here I have 9 plus 3. So let's count forward. Let's just start counting forward. So I have a 9, and I go 9, 10, 11, 12, and I counted 3 more because I'm adding 3 more. So my equal sign has to be something that equals to 12. So let's go ahead and draw out 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's pick another color to try to compose 12. So I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's see what I use. I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow. So that means that my equation is 7 plus 5. Remember, when you have equations on either side and they're different, all you're doing is composing the number in different ways. So the number that I'm trying to compose here is 12. And I composed it on the left side using 9 plus 3. And on the right side, we composed it using 7 plus 5. So let's try it one more time. So here I have 9 plus 3, okay, which is what we had originally a few minutes ago. So we can go ahead and use the number again. We can use our, let's try our number line now. So we can start with a 9, and then we put 3 lines, and then we count up. So we go 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know whatever it's on the left side, it has to be on the right side. So here, 9 plus 3 equals 12. So whatever number it's here, it has to equal to 12. But like on the other ones, this one's, it already gave you a number. So we have to compose the 8, and then whatever we have left means to make the 12. So let's go ahead and do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But remember, the number that we're trying to compose to equal this equation has to be 12. So let's now change colors. And so we have 8. Now we count up until we get to 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means my missing number is 4. And I had 8 on the other side. So 8 plus 4, so my missing number is 4, equals 12. So we compose 12 in 2 different ways. 9 plus 3 and 8 plus 4. So 9 plus 3 equals to 8 plus 4. Okay. Remember, all you're doing is composing the number to balance the equation.